Welcome to our How to Fix a Damaged Plank video. The same method can be applied to new age tiles as well. Here are the recommended tools you will need to fix a damaged tile or plank. Step 1. Mark off each corner of the damaged plank with tape. Step 2. Using your replacement plank, measure the cutting depth and adjust your saw. Your saw should be adjusted to the depth of the plank only. This will prevent you from cutting anything below the replacement area. Step 3. Cut a straight line down the center of the damaged plank. Sweep or vacuum every time the saw is used. Step 4. Create a V-cut at both ends of the damaged plank. Step 5. Cut a second line down the middle of the damaged plank. Step 6. Remove the damaged plank. Vacuum out the damaged floor area, keeping the space debris-free and clean for the replacement. Step 7. To ensure a perfect fit, remove the click-lock grooves from the new replacement plank. Adjust your saw and cut accordingly. Step 8. Make sure your plank fits. Step 9. Apply adhesive to secure plank. Step 10. Ensure a secure fit. Wipe away excess adhesive and remove tape. Step 11. Apply weight and let sit for a couple hours. That completes your replacement of a damaged plank video. Thanks for watching.